With more snow on the way and the potential for all of this to refreeze, things could stay pretty messy out on the roads. We have already seen drivers spinning out and others digging out too. Our News 8 crews helping to get to work as well. Kent Pierce, Jason Newton, photographer Tim Clune, all picking up shovels today and helping folks dig out. Nice work, guys. Tonight, News 8's Jason Newton live in New Haven with a look at how people are digging out of this mess. Jason.
Yeah, that's right, Darren. We were just lending a helping hand earlier today. The real story is all the people, all the residents and citizens of Connecticut all across the state who have been digging out since early this morning, and we're actually still not back to normal just yet. This is State Street there at the intersection with Grand Avenue here in downtown New Haven, and there's still plenty of slush on the roadway, and this is a very busy, highly traveled roadway, and still about 24 hours after yesterday's storm, and we're still dealing with this slushy mess. It was a tough go Friday in New Haven. Despite the sunshine, many roads in the city still snow covered from Thursday's storm. As temperatures hovered in the mid-20s, residents spent the day digging out.
I had good help, so thankful for good neighbors and tenants.
The shared experience of being buried by a foot of snow, bringing out the best of some neighbors a day later, like Mike Wise as he shoveled the sidewalk and driveway for his neighbors in Worcester Square.
I came out here because I know how important it is to help people, and I know he couldn't do it himself, and I wanted to make sure I had that opportunity to be able to reach out.
Streets were treacherous all over New Haven, but sometimes it was a better option for pedestrians than snow-covered sidewalks. All over the city, it's the same story. Buried vehicles need to be cleared so people can get out.
I'm trying to get my daughter car out. She's a registered nurse. She has to be there.
The city of New Haven says with over 300 miles of roads to cover that it may take some time, but help is on the way.
We're trying to get the streets open wider, but some of the smaller streets, just have some patience. We've got a lot of trucks that are on the road. We're running full crews through the night.
And to add insult to injury, like Fred said, we're expecting more snow later tonight. But hey, if we could handle a foot of snow yesterday and more in some locations, I think we can handle a little bit more later on tonight into tomorrow morning. It's the very latest live in New Haven. Jason Newton, News 8.